In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deploy a website to Hostinger using a site created by Lovable. If you're looking to take your project from development to live deployment, you've come to the right place. We'll walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you have a smooth journey from your workspace to the World Wide Web. First, let's head over to Lovable. This is where you've been creating your website, and we'll start the process here. Open your project in Lovable, and when you're ready to export your website code, look for the option symbolized by three dots or by an option titled Export to GitHub. From here, choose the export code option. If you're planning to manually upload your site, select Download Zip. This will compile your website files into a zip folder, which you can then download directly to your computer. Next, we'll prepare our hosting space on Hostinger. Log into your Hostinger dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all things related to your hosting account. It's a user-friendly interface that allows you to efficiently handle various hosting tasks. Once you've logged in, explore the available options for your deployment. Now, it's essential to determine the type of project you're deploying to choose the best hosting option that Hostinger provides. If your Lovable export is a static website, meaning it doesn't require server-side processing to display its content, you'll want to choose web hosting. This option is perfect for straightforward websites that don't involve complex backend logic. On the other hand, if your project relies on more advanced technology like React, Next.js, or if it's a full application involving multiple tiers of logic and interactivity, cloud hosting is your go-to choice. Cloud hosting offers the flexibility and power needed to support dynamic interactions and applications, ensuring that your site runs smoothly and efficiently. Finally, for those managing multiple client sites, agency hosting is the most suitable choice. This option is designed for high-volume projects, providing scalable resources and features tailored to managing and deploying various websites under a singular account. It's an excellent choice for developers handling several client sites, allowing for efficient management and streamlined access. That's the entire process, from exporting your code in Lovable to selecting the right Hostinger hosting option. By following these steps, you ensure that your website is ready for visitors across the globe. Happy deploying, and may your projects prosper on the digital frontier.